Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to become an American Airlines pilot. If flying for one of the world's largest airlines is your dream, this guide will walk you through the entire process, from finding open positions to meeting all the requirements and successfully landing the job. First, open your browser and head over to jobs.aa.com. This is American Airlines' official careers portal where all pilot positions are posted. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section that says Find Your Job and click on Search Open Jobs. This will take you to their job listing database where you can explore current openings. In the search bar, type pilot and hit enter. This will filter the results to show you if there are any pilot openings available, whether for first officer, captain, or other related positions. More importantly, each listing will detail the specific qualifications and requirements American Airlines is looking for. Take your time reviewing these postings carefully. Now let's talk about the minimum requirements you'll typically need to meet. For most pilot positions, especially first officer roles, you'll need an FAA Airline Transport Pilot Certificate, which is often called an ATP certificate. You'll also need a minimum of 1,500 flight hours, though this can vary depending on the position. If the role requires it, you may also need specific type ratings for certain aircraft. Additionally, you must hold a Class 1 FAA medical certificate, which confirms you meet the strict medical standards required to fly commercially. If you're just starting out, the first step is obtaining your private pilot license, or PPL. You'll need to enroll at an FAA-approved flight school to complete this training. Once you have your PPL, the next phase is completing your instrument and commercial pilot training. These certifications build on your foundational skills and qualify you for higher-level certifications down the road. After completing your commercial training, you'll need to start accumulating flight hours. This is often the longest part of the journey. Many aspiring pilots work as flight instructors, fly for regional airlines, or take charter flying jobs to build up the required hours to meet ATP requirements. This real-world experience is crucial and will prepare you for the demands of airline operations. Once you've logged enough hours, it's time to take the FAA ATP written and practical exams. Passing these exams will earn you your Airline Transport Pilot Certificate, which is the highest level of pilot certification and a must-have for flying with major airlines like American. You'll also need to obtain your Class 1 FAA Medical Certificate. This requires passing a thorough medical examination conducted by an FAA-authorized aviation medical examiner. Make sure you're in good health and meet all the standards before scheduling this exam. To gain valuable airline experience, consider applying to regional airlines or other flight opportunities. Many major airline pilots start at regional carriers where they build experience in a commercial airline environment. This experience is highly valued by American Airlines during the hiring process. Keep a close eye on American Airlines pilot openings by regularly visiting careers.aa.com. When you find a position that matches your qualifications, submit your application online. Make sure your resume highlights all your certifications, flight hours, and relevant experience. If your application is selected, you'll move on to American Airlines hiring assessments. These may include technical knowledge tests that evaluate your understanding of aviation principles, simulator evaluations where you'll demonstrate your flying skills, and behavioral interviews that assess your professionalism and fit with the company culture. Next, you'll be invited to an American Airlines interview and assessment day. This is your chance to shine, so come prepared to demonstrate your knowledge, experience, and professionalism. Be ready to discuss your flight background, decision-making skills, and why you want to fly for American Airlines. If you're selected, congratulations. You'll then complete American Airlines comprehensive training programs. This includes aircraft-specific type rating training, where you'll learn to operate the exact planes in their fleet, as well as training on operational procedures, safety protocols, and company policies. This training is rigorous but designed to prepare you fully for your role as a professional pilot. And there you have it. By following these steps, staying committed to your training, and meeting all the requirements, you'll be well on your way to becoming an American Airlines pilot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.